All right, hello, welcome in everybody. Today we're going to be opening up this Halloween set, 2025 Halloween. It's going to be a lot of fun. I like that card art here. Look at that, we got some green ghosts. Looks like we got Night Shifter and the hologram on the cover, the card art. There's a haunted house with some bats. We got a witch on her broom. Yeah, overall pretty solid card art. I like it. I dig it. I like Halloween. Can't go wrong. Let's see. Here's our other cards. We are going to get into them, but there they are. If anybody needs to see that, you guys can pause and check it out. All right. Let's get right into it. We are going to start. Yeah, we're going to start with the hologram. All right. So, let's see. We got a nice, look at that. That's a bat. Yeah, cool bat. We got the green skeleton skull rims. And there's the hologram, which I believe has a special feature. We're going to have to play with it. I will put it on the turntable. And in the photo, I'll put all these cards on the turntable after so we can check them out. Cool. But I will also put this in the dark and shine the light through it and see what happens, because I'm pretty sure we can shine up through there. So that's the hologram, 2018 copyright. We've got the metal base, plastic side, and plastic top. So, but it's basically like a semi-truck, right? All right, so that's the hologram. Now we're going to check out the See You Later. Not the collator. So this one is a pretty cool casting. It's got the bright orange windscreen. So yeah, they all have the same card art. And they all have the same back. So let's see. Let's get into this. Okay. All right. Right off the bat, it's pretty light casting. 2003, See You Later. So we got plastic base, plastic interior windscreen, and then this is the die cast, the blue part, which is actually a really nice blue. It's got great color. You see that? It's got the rivets on the back, 2 seats, steering wheel, big old engine. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 on each side. So that's a V12. Cool. That's got a spider on it. Let's see. There we go. So we got the spider and the web. Got the orange skull wheels. There's a fly that just landed, about to meet his demise. It's a pretty cool front. And same thing on this side. What do we got there? That is, let's see. You guys might have to tell me, what does that say? One of these days I might have to get out the microscope. Alright, well there's that logo. Alright, that's the See You Later. Next, we got Diesel Duty. I did save my two favorite for the last. That's why I didn't go in order. Diesel Duty looks pretty cool. I would say those look like glow-in-the-dark wheels. Let's get this open. Alright, we got purple and orange. Really good Halloween colors. Look at those eyeballs. Cool. It's like some flames back there too. Yeah. This is a cool casting. I like it. Look at that. It's got a big old engine in the back. You can tow. Diesel Duty. Yeah, I think it's awesome. Yeah, I'm pretty sure these glow in the dark. I will also check that. We'll charge them up and turn the lights off in the photo booth and see if we got some glow in the dark wheels. But yeah, those eyeballs are great. Great detail. Cool front end. Let's see, you can kind of see the interior. I see a little bit of a steering wheel in there. But yeah, big old exhaust pipes off the top. That's cool. What do we got here? 2010. Alright, nice. Yeah, we will get that on the turntable and we will get it in the dark and see if these glow. Diesel Duty. Alright. Next one, we got the Hollowback. Look at that guy. That guy looks tough. Same card art. I like it. Look at this guy. He's glowing out the front door here. Shot right out. And then what do we got down here? A bit of a graveyard, it looks like. Alright, let's get this open. Okay. Hey, got the fan. It's got a nice interior, big seats. Chrome steering wheel. This thing's got the big engine too. See, it's hollow in the back. Is that why it's the hollow back? Look at that guy, a little fire demon. And he's got the black with gold skulls. That's pretty cool. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's a pumpkin. It's a pumpkin and it says Hot Wheels. And we got the front end. That's cool. Got the little exhaust off the side there. Yeah. Plastic. So this is the die cast. Right, that feels plastic too. No, this is the die cast. Yep. Die cast base. Metal base. Plastic interior. Plastic outside. It's cool though. I like that. A little fire demon. Alright, that's the Hollowback. And last but not least, we got the Night Shifter. I assume it's probably the most popular car in the set as far as Hot Wheels history goes. There's a lot of Night Shifters. It seems to be a pretty popular car. I like that little skeleton on there. Let's get it open and check it out. Yeah, you'll have to let me know if Night Shifter's your favorite. It's definitely my favorite in this set. Look at that big old engine. Now the white wheels with the black skulls. Got the skeleton. And there's the pumpkin Hot Wheels logo, the Halloween logo. Yeah, Night Shifter's cool. It's got a lot going on. Shine. Look at that tail. But yeah, that's a cool little cartoon skeleton. The Grim Reaper, I guess. Yeah, he's the Grim Reaper peeking up over the edge, keeping an eye on you. So, that is the Night Shifter. We're going to get these put on the turntable and get a closer look and get them in the dark. And we'll